video of Team Rides. Today we're gonna ride Spirou Racing.
Yes!
A family coaster built by Zir and opened in 2018
Okay.
with the opening of the park, because the park is opened in 2018 also. It's a family coaster, so yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, I think. So yeah.
Hot today, the weather is...
Yeah, it's really hot. It's 30 degrees or 31 degrees.
31
so yeah, the breeze will do us good. So yeah, we're gonna ride it now. I see you when we're coming off. Thank you. Alright, we just did Spirou Racer, a family coaster. What do you think about it?
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's leuk and
Leuk?
rustig and no is the stream.
No.
It's some for moment powerful.
Yeah,
and
in the helix in the helix it was powerful, eh?
Yes.
Quite powerful, it has some power in the helix.
I enjoy and the children also, yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And yeah, some a little bit of airtime also.
for parts.
Yeah. Yeah, some only one part, but okay, it was fun. It's a really fun coaster.
See, I wanna do again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we really enjoyed this coaster. If you like this coaster also, just put your thumbs up. If you like the video, subscribe, of course. We need your help.
And continue follow, eh?
Of course. Bye bye.
Bye bye.